Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 5, that is building houses and bridges. So in this chapter we will study about houses and bridges. So early men जो होते थे वो caves में रहते थे, right? And they make stone tools. They hunted animals for food and led a nomadic life. Soon, though they began to live in a permanent shelter, they use naturally available building material. इन्होंने naturally available building materials का use करा, like stone, mud, straw, and wood to make their houses. Those material are still used in various parts of the country to make house. And today construction work is one of the major activity of men. अगर हम बात करें one of the major activity जो है men की वो है construction work. Building a house is not easy. House को build करना easy नहीं है. It requires a lot of money, manpower, material and tools. Let's know something about how houses constructed. Now building a house. So we need many material to build a house. Many people work as a team and we hire different types of people to their jobs. An architect makes a plan of a house. और जो architect है वो एक plan बनाता है house का और the building which shows where each room should be. An architect use drawing, board, pencil, compass and scale to make a plan and this plan is called print. इस plan को क्या बोला जाता है? Print बोला जाता है. A strong foundation is very important. If you know that the strong foundation is very important for the safety of the house, a mason with the help of laborer lays the foundation of the house. और वो foundation lay करता है house की and one of the foundation is laid and the plumber what it's do? It fixes underground pipes for the bathrooms, kitchen and he uses various pipes, bending machine, wrench, pliers and hammer. Once the plan is ready, it is sent to be connected authorities for approval and when it is approved, the mason and his helper raise the wall, pillars and roof of the house. Now, they use very simple tools जैसे like plumb bob, trowel, mallet, hammer, split level and laying a trowel to make sure that the wall are straight and the bricks are laid properly. Welders जो होते हैं, they join steel or iron grill and frames of the doors and window. Welders use welding machine. ये welding machines का use करते हैं. ये goggles wear करते हैं. Carpenter लोग after the woodwork they make doors, windows, cabinets and closest top for the house. और ये saw, plane, gimlet, true square, chisel and many other tools भी use करते हैं for cutting and shaping the wood. Now, as the building is about to complete, the electrician fixes electric wires, plugs, switches on the electric appliance as a fan, and he uses tools. Once house is ready, painter paint it. They paint with the help of brush. वो brush का, colors का, rollers का, ladders का use करते हैं to paint the house. And building material required for construction of permanent house, जैसे कि brick, concrete हो गया, cement हो गया, iron rod हो गया, sand हो गया, wooden poles हो गए, marble हो गया, tiles हो गए, right? Now brick, it is the most commonly used building material. इसका हम सबसे ज्यादा use करते हैं. Clay is removed from the ground by hand or by machine. Clay is mixed with water to form a smooth mixture. A mixture is put in a smolder to obtain rectangular wet clay. And these bricks are dried in the sun. और ये bricks को हम क्या करते हैं? धूप में से dry करते हैं. The dried bricks are heated in a brick kiln. Bricks are fired. The hot bricks are then cooled. The bricks become hard and strong. Bricks कैसी बन जाती है? Hard बन जाती है, strong बन जाती है. And bricks are used for making walls. और wall is constructed by arranging bricks and joining them with cement. हमको arrange करते हैं और किससे join करते हैं? Cement से join करते हैं. Why do we need bridges? Bridges are used जब आपको कोई railway track है या कोई busy road है या फिर lakes है, rivers है, इनको क्या करना है? Cross करना है. So bridges provided smooth passage to other side. Now constructing a bridge is not easy. देखो bridge को construct करना easy नहीं है. It's need lot of planning, big equipments and large amount of time and money. Right? Now types of bridges. हमारे पास अलग-अलग तरीके के bridges हैं. जैसे beam bridge, which is permanent bridge, makes of log, steel, beam or concrete. It is supported by pillars. हम इसे pillars से support करते हैं. Then we have an arch bridge, which is one of the oldest bridge and it is shaped like an arc and is made up of steel, concrete and brick. In early times, people used strong stones to build arch bridge, but nowadays we use material जैसे कि आपका steel हो गया, concrete और brick हो गया, and arch bridge is stronger than a beam bridge. देखो जो arch वाला bridge होता है ना वो ज्यादा stronger होता है आपका. A suspension bridge works by hanging. देखो ऐसा hanging bridge होता है. ये simplest types of suspension bridge है. that are in the form of footbridges which hang over a small streamers. They are generally made from, ये wood और rope से बने. Next is pontoon bridge. It is temporary bridge made up of rubber boats tied together. They are covered with strong wooden planks. ऐसे wooden planks होते हैं, उससे वो covered होते हैं. Now cantilever bridge is made up of steel and concrete. ये जो ब्रिज है इसमें दो बीम्स होते हैं जिनको हम कैंटिलीवर कहते हैं. दे आर जॉइंड बाय अ बीम और ग्रिडर. एंड द हार्वर्ड ब्रिज जो आपका कोलकाता का, इट्स एन एग्जांपल ऑफ कैंटिलीवर ब्रिज. नाउ ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना इज नॉट जस्ट अ वॉल, इट हैज ब्रिजेस. यहाँ पे आपको ब्रिजेस, स्टेयर्स, टावर देखने को मिलेंगे ओवर द माउंटेन, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर. नाउ वी विल डू इट्स exercise. First is, and dash uses drawing board, pencil, compass and scale, that is architect. और ये क्या बनाते हैं? घर का प्लान बनाते हैं. Welder joins steel or iron grills and frame of door. A dash makes door, windows, cabinets and closets for the house. कौन बनाता है doors, windows? That is carpenter. The electrician uses tool like screwdriver, soldering iron and filler. Dash are used for making walls. Bricks का भी यूज करते हैं walls बनाने के लिए. Next is fill in the blanks. And dash makes the plan of the house. कौन बनाता है? Architect. Dash looks after the woodwork. कौन दिखता है? Carpenter. Dash is a commonly used building material. A dash bridge is temporary bridge made up of rubber boards. A dash bridge is a temporary bridge made up of rubber board, that is pontoon bridge. Next is dash is one of the oldest bridges, that is arc bridge. और बीम ब्रिज भी कहते हैं इसको. रोड्स प्रोवाइड नाउ ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. रोड्स प्रोवाइड स्मूथ पैसेज ऑफ द अदर साइड. फॉल्स. ब्रिजेस प्रोवाइड. Carpenter use tool in cutting and shaping the wood. It's true. Electrician use vending machine and wear goggles. False. Architect's plan is called a map. False. A pontoon bridge is temporary bridge made up of rubber board tied together. It's true. Right, now match the following. Architect plan the house. Carpenter doors and windows. Electrician electric fitting. Beam bridge, that is in permanent. And your Kolkata Howrah bridge. Now answer the following question. What material did the early men use to build a house? वो किसका यूज करते थे? ठीक है, बैम्बू का, स्टिक का. What material are required for construction of पक्का हाउस, परमानेंट हाउस बनाने के लिए? स्टील, सीमेंट, रॉक. How are bricks made? What is beam bridge? Beam bridge बताना आपको क्या है? Right, it's. And what is cantilever bridge? ठीक है, cantilever bridge क्या है? All these you have to explain. I have told you in this chapter. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.